ये जो यूज किया है आपने सेशन व्यू फॉर आइडियाज, आपने आइडियाज डाले पर यू इन सेशन व्यू यू हैव नॉट converted your ideas into a song, and this what you've done is you've taken that unfinished idea from session view and you've added it here. तो एक काम करते हैं, ये जो आपने किया हुआ है हम exactly इसको आइडिया को यहाँ पे बनाते हैं, and that's how you're supposed to actually start your session view idea. And remember there are no rules, ये जो आपने किया है वो भी सही है, it's not this thing. So I'm going to start from here 65 because your track remains here and it's okay, and I'm going to start from 65 so you'll be able to hear this. I'm going to do exactly what you did. Okay, so now you've started with the bass. Okay, so what I'm going to call this, I'm going to call this intro. So I know I'm going to, my song starts like this. Okay, so 4 bars this will happen, and you've so let's start with the intro. Now intros are usually very soft. Okay, now I can go inside here and then I can click here. Remember envelopes? And then I click here and then I click here. I'll go more into detail in this later. पर अभी मैं खाली करके बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको.
हाँ जी हाँ जी.
मुझे इंट्रो चाहिए 4 बार्स के लिए, और मैंने इसको, ये आप वीडियो देख लेना बार बार.
जी जी.
जो नहीं समझ में आता प्लीज पेन डाउन द क्वेश्चन.
ओके.
Okay, so ये हो गया, and now in the other one I don't want the automation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my this thing and I'm going to say auto filter device on, and I'm going to put it off. I'm going to put it off. So this will sound like this. Okay, so this is intro. So इसके clip के ऊपर भी मैं लिख देता हूँ filter. And then this is normal. Okay, and intro, and I'm going to call this intro 2. I'm just going to pull this out a little bit so it's very clear to read. Okay, अभी जब second time, अभी और कौन-कौन से loops हैं आपके पास में जरा देखते हैं. Okay, ये loop है, और कौन सा है? Okay, तो अब काम करते हैं, इस ये लेते हैं ऊपर, and then let's select. पहले बताया था ना मैंने, अभी कुछ टाइम पहले बताया था कि क्या करना है. तो अगर आपको ये सिलेक्शन लेके आप चाहिए तो आप इसको लूप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, एंड नाउ लेट्स हियर. अब ये बहुत लाउड है, so I'm going to add this also, or probably what I'm going to do is not this. Let's take another audio instrument and let's say utility. Utility is just your volume thing. I'm going to take this and I'm going to say automate for 4 bars. Okay, from here I'm going to select, I'm going to double click this. Easy way to create an automation in Ableton is you can just click right click, edit value, and then it will give you how much value you want to this thing. It's very fast.
Okay.
मैंने यहाँ पे किया -10, ये नीचे चला गया. Okay, right.
और shapes दिखा रहा है तो उसको भी हम select कर सकते हैं.
Yes, you can select. वही तो है, वो मैं आपको डेप्थ में लेके जाके आपको बताने वाला था. Yeah, -10 and then you select this and then edit value and 0. Okay, so now let's hear this part. Okay, this is up. I'm going to select edit value again and say -20. Okay, then I'm going to take these two guys, I'm going to put it down. Now I'm going to put off the device in the second one. Okay, and then yes, and then we have another one. No, we have no this one. Okay, so we have a ride. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, this can go up. And then your kick can come there. This can repeat here. Okay, and then I'm gonna call this kick. So I'm not going to do anything drastic here. मैं खाली फटाफट गाना बनाना चाहता हूँ. ठीक है, तो I'm getting my ideas. Okay. Okay, so now in this I want my filter in this to go down again. Okay, so in this I'm going to open up my device again. I'm going to say yes, and then I want frequency to go from up. 1 second, which one was it? 183. Okay, go up and say edit value 183. Okay, and now let's hear this. But I want it to move a little faster, so I'm going to go close to the automation line. When it turns blue, I'm going to, that means I can, when it turns blue means I can edit that line.
Okay.
So now I'm going to hold Alt on my keyboard. When I hold Alt, there's a curve which comes on my arrow.
Okay.
And I'm going to pull it down. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to copy these guys and then put it here. And let's see if I can, what is this? This is a fill. Okay, no problem. And then here I am going to take this loop. Okay, and let's hear this one. Okay, I'm gonna keep it down only with that guy. I'm gonna remove this thing and I'm gonna say 183 only. Edit value 183. Okay. Device. Okay, put it on. Okay, let's hear. I'm gonna call this breakdown. Okay. Duplicate these guys and paste this guy here. Okay, so this is my song. This is how you work in session view. What you had done is you had put everything here, there, here, there, here, there. But this is how you're supposed to align. इसके बाद ये आएगा, इसके बाद ये आएगा, इसके साथ ये चलेगा, ये यहाँ पे रुक जाएगा, ये ऐसे होगा, ये ऐसे होगा. ठीक है, अभी मैं यहाँ पे 69 से लेके मैं इसको रिकॉर्ड करूंगा और हम एडिट करेंगे इसको. ठीक है. This was the song that I created with the same samples that you had. Then now what I will do, I'll go on the top right, this red arrow which says back to arrangement. I'll click that and then I have my song. अभी इसमें और edit करते हैं इसको. एक सैंपल आपका जो फिल है वो बाकी है डालना।
हाँ जी
ठीक है, अभी इसको काम करते हैं। अब ओके, यहाँ पे मैं काम करूंगा, इसको जो है इसका इसमें क्या रखा हुआ है मैंने। ओके, तो अगर मैं ए दबाता हूँ तो मैंने जो ऑटोमेशन किया है सेशन व्यू में वो सारा दिखा देता है मुझे यहाँ पे। ठीक है, तो अब मैं यहाँ से ये जो था इसको मैं, ये क्या था -20, तो इसको मैं यहाँ से एडिट करके -25 and then I'll put this back to 0, edit value 0. All right. Okay, let me reduce the volume. It's going very loud. And if I get it to say about 4 dB up, okay. Remove automation. अब इधर क्या कर सकते हैं मालूम है हम लोग, ये जो नोट है ना, सॉरी, एक काम करते हैं, ये नोट को सिर्फ रिपीट करते हैं। Same with this guy here. I take this and I put it here. Let's hear it. There you go, Sachin. You have a song, a groove ready with fills. You know, a kind of a song where dynamics are moving up and down.